I'm not looking the best. Hey guys, so I basically filmed an intro here, but it was kind of crap and it took me way too long to explain everything I was trying to say, so I basically just cut it and we're going to go right into the video. This is obviously a tutorial on how to dye your hair black at home using a box dye. I'm going to link everything in the description box down below, all the products that I used and everything, so you can click on the links and purchase it if you want to, and then you'll see Audrey's hair all finished and done at the end. Thanks for watching. 1 part color, 2 parts developer.
So the whole thing and whole thing?
No. 1 part to 2 parts. Hey guys, so today I am dyeing Audrey's hair black. So I do have written down exactly what I'm doing, so I don't technically really need to do this voiceover, but I thought I would explain a couple of things. Do you want to tell people why you are coloring your hair black?
You said I didn't have to talk.
Just a little bit.
It's called conforming. Deal with it. I know how this world works.
So after the mixture is all mixed up in a good consistency, I'm just applying the color or the dye to Audrey's hair with a brush. This brush is from a Manic Panic bleach kit that I got, so is the bowl. And always mix your dye, bleach, whatever, in a plastic bowl. Never use metal or anything like that, because that will, I don't know, mess with the chemical makeup of the dye, I guess. And right here I'm not wearing gloves, but in a second I am. Sometimes I don't wear gloves and I'm just lazy, but since it's such a dark black color, I decided to wear gloves. But yeah, other than that, you guys can kind of just read exactly what I'm doing. It's super simple to dye your hair with just like a box dye, or go to Sally's, Ricky's, wherever, whatever your beauty supply store is, and grab some hair dye. It's really affordable too, and I just wanted to show you guys this video to kind of explain and show how easy it is, and you don't need to go spend a bunch of money to get your hair looking cute. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. I know it was a super short tutorial. It wasn't anything like groundbreaking, but sometimes it's good to kind of watch someone go through it and do it, and it helps you get over the fear of like, oh my god, is it going to be hard? Is it going to look bad? How difficult is it? Can I actually do it at home, or should I go get it done? But something like just coloring your hair from like a box dye, I think is something that almost anyone can do by themselves, or someone else can do it to them at home that is not a hairstylist, not a professional at all, because you're literally just putting color on your hair and just making sure every inch is covered. When you're bleaching, it's a little bit harder because it can be a lot more damaging to your hair, but most of the time hair color isn't going to do much damage to your hair. You can leave it on for a lot longer, you can screw up, and it's easier to cover it up, whereas bleaching, it's a little bit harder. Anyways, like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!